Hey y'all, it's Bojo. Welcome back to Anomalous Conversation. Today we're doing Cup of Bottle, which, So it's a bottle and a cup? How the hell does that work? That is not what a bottle looks like. My chest feels tight, sealed, like I'm shrinking into a space. Everything echoes, distant and warped, like the world is watching me through warped glass. Huh. Right. What the fuck? Oh. It's called the Baby Doll Stack. I think I can see why. Which one speaks? The answer is... it's the bottom one. It's the one that's drooling. Okay. The eyes look like the galaxy, so I'll say that much. This is the Cup of Bottle. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.